Hello guys, Mitesh Shukla from Excellence Education Visa here. Guys, today I am going to solve some queries regarding the USA student visa, as many of the students are confused regarding the US student visa about the new rules. And I will also keep on updating you regarding the student visa and the visitor visa of the Canada, UK, USA and Australia. And as per the current situation, many of the clients and the students are not updated regarding the latest visa, what are the rules and regulations. So if anybody needs any information of the current situation of the visa, what are the new rules and regulations and what are the updates, they can let me know on the Facebook or on the WhatsApp as well. But in my next upcoming videos, I will provide you all of the details regarding the student visa and the visitor visa of some other countries as well. Now guys, looking at the scenario of the US student visa, as many of the students are confused like what's happening over there. So guys, many of the USA colleges are taking only the online lectures. Okay, so they are taking 100% online lectures. So what they are saying, what the government is saying, like the college do not have to take only the online lectures. Here you have to understand the situation, like government is saying that to the colleges and the universities not to only take the 100% online lectures, but to call the student into the classes also. So the government is focusing on the online lecture, as well as the student have to personally attend the college also, or personally attend the university also. Say for example, if the college is operating from Monday to Friday, so 2 days you can have an online lectures and 3 days you have to attend the face-to-face lectures. So the situation is like that. Many of the students are only attending the online lectures, which are the 100% online lectures. So the government is saying not to attend only the online lectures, but they have to attend the college and the universities also. And the students who are enrolled only in the 100% online lectures, they have to take a transfer into the college or the university, which provide both, which provide online lectures and which provide the face-to-face classes also. So the government is focusing on that. So guys, there is no need to panic, as many of the students are confused and many of the clients are also confused, like they are cancelling the visa and all something like that. It's not like that. That is totally wrong. The student have to just take a transfer from the 100% online classes to the online lectures, as well as they have to attend the physically lectures also. So I hope guys your this doubt has been solved. So there is no need to panic, and many of the universities are starting from the August, from the next coming intake, August end, or from the September intake, the USA universities are going to start face-to-face lectures also. So if you still have any doubts or any confusion, you can let me know. And if you have any doubts regarding any other country's visa also, either it is a visitor visa, student visa or any other category, you can let me know. So guys, do share this video with your friends also, and thanks for watching this.